Hi guys, I'm gonna do the crazy squishy tag that I created, so yeah. I tagged SquishyBloggee, SquishyUnicorness, Bordie, SweetSquishies, Citrus Cupcake 123, Pastel Gumdrops, and anyone. And you can don't do this tag, but yeah. Please kindly credit me if you do this tag. You can credit me at the description box or video. Let's get started. Question 1. Question 1. Craziest looking squishy in your current collection. It is this line character squishy and it says I love brown. And so yeah. Here's the tag. Question 2. Squishy that has the most craziest price, cheapest, and most expensive in your current collection. For my most expensive one, it is this Hello Kitty donut. For smallest, it is this tortoise or turtle. Question 3. Squishy that has the craziest size, biggest and smallest in your collection. For biggest, it is this burger squishy, which has black sesame seeds on top. It's really big. For smallest, it is this mini panda bun with the tongue sticking out. And yeah, that is the crazy squishy tag, and hope you enjoyed. Bye! And please do look at the description box down below. Bye!